guys, good morning. I'm here at my province. So the summer starts here now already. So you can see the grass are already dried. And look at our coconut trees. Only few have fruits because it's already summer. So it's kind of, they're not producing that much fruits when it's summer. Alright, so banana tree. Anyways, there's nothing that much that you can see in the farm because we don't have a plant because it's summer, as I said. Anyways, have a great day, guys. It's been a long time since I got in here. So those are all coconuts, but those are not mine. So yeah.